About 3 months ago, I introduced to you all my subscribers about Swaf airdrop. Swaf airdrop is one of the most powerful airdrop out there right now, and since about 3 months ago, I've been gathering this token just little by little. Now I'll be able to gather about 6,000 worth of Swaf airdrop. That is $6,000. That is what you can see right here on my screen. So right now I'm here with this amazing update, and this is something completely different from the original airdrop update itself. Now this time around, you can even earn even before this guy are listed on tier 1 exchange. What I mean, we all know all crypto airdrop has different phases before they are listed on tier 1 exchange like Binance, OKX, Bybit, and so on and so forth. But this time around, Swaf airdrop is giving every of their users opportunity to earn even before they are listed on tier 1 exchange. And right on this update, I will guide you through step by step on how you can start earning on Swaf airdrop even without you having to wait before they are listed on the tier 1 exchange. So without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial, and I will show you exactly how you can start earning on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis right on Swaf airdrop. So guys, if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell. So what is this update all about? Just as I told you, this update is on how you can earn on Swaf airdrop right now even before they are listed on tier 1 exchange. So if you see right here, it said Valve ecosystem USDT reward campaign is now live. So this is not something that is going to be forever. So if you are really serious about it, you can take an advantage of this update right now to earn a lot of USDT reward for yourself, and you can withdraw it into your crypto wallet address. So this is a real cash and not token. Okay, so from what you can see right here, this is meant to last for about 30 days. That is from July 21st to August 21st. That is exactly for just 1 month, right? So let me simply explain to you how this works, just as you can see on my screen. So for an example, I invited you right now and you stake $10 after you complete your registration. You are going to be getting free $2 for yourself, and myself, I'm going to be getting $3 for myself. Now because you stake $10, you are going to be getting reward on daily basis on your stake fund. You are going to be getting from 12% to 24% in 5 days, and that money in total is about $1.2. Depends on how much you actually stake. You can be staking as high as $1,000, $100, but the minimum you can stake, that is $10. Okay, so that is for that. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. Now you are going to be earning in 2 ways. You will earn from your staking, and you also earn from the ongoing reward. So that is 2 ways. So right now I will walk you through on how you can get started on this Swaf airdrop and how you can start staking and start earning reward for good straight 1 month. Okay, so now let me open my app. This is KWTCN, right? That is the name of the Valve app. Okay, so this is their wallet. So once we are here, you are going to go straight down to this area that says Valve, that is VVX. You are going to go to this area that says VVX. Once you come right here to where it says VVX, you are going to see we have VVX, that is VV staking, that is Valve staking. So on this Valve staking, we have Ethereum and we have Tron. Depends on which one you want to go for. So let's say you want to go for Tron, for an example. You are going to come right here and you are going to be seeing this area that says TRX. So this is TRS APR, right? We have 12% to about 24%. That's what you can see right here. And if you are interested and you want to continue to deposit your TRS, you come right here and click on join. If you want to deposit USDT directly, you come right here to where it says USDT, and you come right here. You are going to be seeing you can also get 12 to 24% return. Then you click on join. So one thing I love about this staking is that everything is just going to be within 5 days. Within 5 days, the cycle is going to be over and you will get your profit, and you can decide to restake again. Very amazing update from an airdrop platform that is even yet to list on tier 1 exchange. Okay, so how can you deposit money right here on this platform? It's actually very easy. First of all, you are going to come to this area that says receive. Click on this area that says receive. Once you click on this area that says receive, you are going to be seeing the deposit wallet address, meaning you are going to be depositing your fund into this wallet, right? So you are going to come right here and click on copy. Click on copy. So once you click on copy right here, then take it to any exchange of your choice and deposit right into this wallet, right? So once you deposit right into this wallet, the next thing you are going to do, you come back right here to where it says VVX. So click on this area that says VVX. Then you are going to click on either to join using TRS or to join using USDT. The type of crypto you set right here is going to determine which of them you are going to click. So if you click on TRS, it means you have deposited TRS. And if you click on USDT, it means you must have deposited USDT. So this is how easy and how simple this platform is. I've actually made video about this platform about 2 to 3 months ago. So if you think you are completely new to this platform, then you need to see that video. There are more ways you can earn on this platform actually, right? And that is by coming to this area that says task. When you click on this area that says task, you are going to be seeing some daily tasks you can complete right here to earn some more reward from these guys. You can see right here we have Facebook. When you join their Facebook community, you are going to be getting 200 worth of SWAF airdrop. And when you come right here to join their Telegram, you get another 200. If you come right here to join their X, you get another 200. So this is how amazing this platform is. And you can also refer people to join this airdrop and earn amazing reward. All these USDT you see right here on my account, about $6,000, I got it just by referring people to this platform, and you can also do the same thing. But the most important right now is by you staking and getting reward. You get reward for the staking, and you also get reward in real cash when you refer people to stake using your referral code. So I'm going to be dropping my referral code right on this platform, and you can join all my social media platform over there. We can talk more and you can ask me more questions about this particular SWAF airdrop.